Folks, St. Paul Steam here. We have the safety valve lifting right at about where are we at? 12, 13 pounds. Just got a full restoration from me a few years ago. Let's give her a go. Sorry about that. She's a really smooth runner. Runs very well. Got the rear whistle topper. Pressure gauge was put on by me. Matches the body of the Empire, which has been totally reshot, repainted, stripped, repainted. The boiler is nearly perfect. If there's any dents in it, I don't know of them. Okay. Give her a look-see around. See how slow we can get this to go. It's got a new old stock cord on it. I just took it out of the package. It's got new seals and sight glass and one under the safety valve / chimney. I see one tiny little dent right there, but you can't hardly make it out. Very smooth runner. I don't know if these are reversible or not. I don't think they are. Let's see. I guess not. Could remember this one. All right. Well, thanks for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. Take a little closer look at it. This is a 0 to 2 bar or 0 to 30 psi. You can see she's running on 3 pounds or so. I've got the variac way turned down. It's at 70 volts now, I think, instead of the 110. So there we have it. Thanks for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. Have yourself a good day. Bye now.